All right, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and there goes another bass boat in the wrong direction. 7:18, and the only spots forward we've moved are the people who've bailed out. Hey, it's 7:57, and I have moved 400 feet in an hour. Wow. The wind's blowing. Getting wet. Shoot, I drove all the way out here. I might as well give it a try. Let's go. Here's the strategy today. I'm going to throw a bunch of stuff, and I'm not going to stick too much to one thing. We're going with a large drag and drop. It's called the Murky Minnow. All right, I'm back. I tied back on. I got the robo worm, straight tail worm, sexy shad, and I'm trying these new spear point hooks. See that? You're not supposed to catch any more fish, but you're supposed to not lose so many. It's the way that those extra bends kind of wrap around that mouth. I'm just gonna go throw my Guggen blooper. Screw it. Have a deep dive. Definitely bouncing off any stuff down there. Got one. Yeah. Woo! Right on the freaking crankbait. First fish on a crankbait. Stay down. Fight a little. He freaking choked it way up in there. Yeah! He's got a mouthful of that freaking thing. So that was just me dragging along the bottom, just banging that Guggen Recon. Woo, look at that guy, huh? Check him out. Beautiful. Look at that guy. Yeah, what you wait? Got a big old freaking mouth on him. Because he's largemouth. Haha. I was hoping it'd be bigger than 2, but it's 1.78. Yeah. Let's try that again. That was fun. Okay, I've been trying a bunch of stuff, and since that when I got, I don't know what time that was, 10 o'clock in the morning, I got one more dink, and then I got another 0.98 pounder. Now I think I'm on to something, so I got myself spot locked. up against this cliff. I always catch fish here. Oh, I'm on it right in front of me. Popper right here. Why not? Ooh, that was a big one. Oh my God. I can't possibly not get hit. Oh, that was a big one. How come I'm not getting it all over the place? Wow. I got my big, it's called the thick jig from Guggen, but I got a mini Kraken craw in there. Okay, I just caught another 1 pound 14 ouncer. There's a little ledge out here. I'm learning to use my fish finder, which is exciting. I think that's the first time I saw a ledge, I saw a fish on it, drug it down the ledge, and caught a fish. Got another one. Woohoo! Hell yeah, man. Oh, that's a little bit different, guy. Yeah. I'll get the weight. Dadgummit. Oh! He just freaking launched that freaking half-inch weight into my face. Freaking calm down, dude. No. He's just a little guy. That's my bait. Yeah, I got him. Right to the top of the freaking head mouth. He's just a little guy. Not even a pounder. Thanks, buddy.